Alright, so we're out here at a river that is very close to us. We're hitting a bass hole, mainly for bass. That's what we're aiming for, and we're gonna have a little competition. It's gonna be who can catch the most in, like, let's say like a 3-hour span, because that's probably how long we'll be here. So we're just gonna set up here. So yeah, basically we're just two bros fishing.
I'd give it all for a look, for a call, for a kiss, for a roll.
Bugs are really bad right now, so we're gonna spray up before we get everything set up, then rig up. So first catch.
Just a small one.
What is that, a bass? Yeah. Let's see.
Oh shoot! He's gonna flop away. Yeah, we'll just let him go.
Is he coming hooked?
Yeah, we'll just let him go.
All right, 1-0.
Yep.
Except for I'm not even set up yet. It's currently 6:52. Just finally got set up, and Garrett caught another small one. Okay, these don't even count. That counts as a half a fish. Really? Really? All right, now it starts. No luck yet. Only been out here for like 10 minutes, but I'm gonna go over to Garrett and see what he's up to and get his input. Right now, nothing. I think it's the water. I mean, the current's going actually pretty fast, faster than it was yesterday. So we'll see. What do you think? How was it over here? He's pissed off.
Huh?
What? Mine was doing that too. Okay. Nothing though. Nothing over there.
Well, I mean, it is.
It's not 2-0. I wasn't even set up. It's 0-0 scoreboard.
Carter's hooked up here. Yeah. It's not a big one, but
Terrible.
he hooked pretty good.
So, what is that, 1-1?
Yeah.
Yep, 2-1. Dude, you're lucky I'm giving you the first one. I wasn't even set up. Looks like you got one. Same size. Actually, yeah, same size. Gosh, what's with the little ones? It's number 2.
Yeah. You gotta put your.
All right, 2-2. I guess just a teeny bit bigger, not by much. What size are you using? 2?
Yeah, no, a small one.
A 1? Alright. What is he doing?
Yep. Number 3, taking the lead right here.
Okay, 3-2. I'm gonna go move to Garrett's old spot, only because the rock's nice to sit on, and this is where I caught a bunch yesterday. All right, just set up a new rig. Gonna try it out. Yep. That's a fighter. My drag is not set well. Ooh, it's actually a nice size. That was 4-4. Big fighter. It's pretty big. Holy crap, dude. It's wide.
That's actually really big.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Yep. Wow.
Yeah, that's huge.
For here anyway. Using just a 2 size?
Yeah. That's probably the same one that I caught yesterday.
No.
Holy crap.
Alright. So that's 4-4. Actually fought pretty hard. Really nice coloring on it though.
I think it's 3-4 or 4-3.
It's 4-4 because you caught that one down there, didn't you?
Yeah, but you didn't. You
I
had
had
3.
3. I had one right here. I don't think.
Oh
you saw
yeah,
it,
that's
though.
right.
Okay, 4-4. Wow, that's a nice one.
Yep.
Alright, if I catch that feather, what if? We'll count it as a half a fish. I'm a bass master. It's 8 o'clock exactly. 4-4. We both have had just like little small 8-inch, not even bass. And then I just caught maybe like, I'd say like, what would you say the size of that was? It's kind of hard to tell. We should have brought tape measure, but yeah, so we're gonna take a little break. Garrett just caught a lure. He cast it out and thought he snagged, pulled it in, and he had a lure on with some line connected to this branch. You wonder how much snags are in here.
I got 2 finesse jigs out there I lost. That's garbage. I got a whole bunch of fishing line now. This is like almost like a bone.
So Garrett wants to go show me a cool spot apparently. He's fished here more than I have, so he knows this place a little bit better. Wow, look at this waterfall.
Where's no water?
Wow. Go cast. Garrett just cast it out and I had to run all the way back to our bag because Garrett needed needle nose for a pike he just caught. 5 to 4. I'm tired.
Or maybe that's a walleye. Yeah, it's a walleye, you can tell.
Nice.
Well, it's just stunned for a little bit. It'll get going.
I'm stunned for a little bit.
Yeah, it's a walleye. Look at his eye.
Yeah. Accidentally.
He didn't like that.
There he goes.
Yeah, he just was all caught up in that.
Yeah. Hey, Cart, come here. All right, look at this. This is there's actually some pretty good lures over here. Nice bass lures. I'm gonna wait until Carter comes over here. So basically, we had a big flood, probably close to a month ago. Like, our main street was pretty flooded, and all the rivers were flooded, of course. And there's a log right here that has a whole bunch of lures that people got snagged on. There's 3 lures that I can see right now, bass lures that are actually pretty good, and we're gonna take them with jig heads on them, of course, and we're gonna use them. Hey dude, there's a whole bunch of lures on this. Whole bunch. 3 bass lures, like nice bass lures. Right here. We're gonna have to get out of here soon. Here, take it. Wow.
Yeah, I know, take it. Alright, these are really bad.
Hey, it's a good find.
Man, oh man, skills are terrible. The good find right here. Some sinkers right here.
There's so many. Just hurry up.
Here. This one's actually pretty good. Wash it up. Here, there's sinkers right here. All right, hey, it's a good thing that we came over here, guys. So, yeah, describe what we found over there. We're gonna clean them up. Nice bass lures right here. And a little twister tail. And we got 2 sinkers, which is, you know, always good to have some sinkers. And this should be white and a neon yellowish color with some red dots in it, but we're gonna clean these up at the best and then show you again. So this is the lures that are all cleaned up now. This is supposed to be a white color. I didn't clean it as good, but we got like a pumpkin colored twister tail and another bass lure right here. Different shades of green right there. I'm gonna put it with this jig head. This is like red sparkled with gold and silver with the green tail, and this is supposed to be white. These are pretty good finds.
Universe of any planet in the sky, brought in motion by your light. You're a star in the night.
One.
Yep, 5 to 5 now.
Yep. All right.
All right, this is the 5th one for me today. We're gonna send her back in the river. Sitting at 5 to 5 in fish right now. It's about 9:30ish. We're gonna go head back down to that waterfall thing and cast out a bit. He wants to look for some more lures because apparently there was more over there.
We're gonna go check it out really quick.
Yeah, so we're gonna go check that out.
Got a fish, just taking the lead right now. It's a bass.
Yeah, it's big too.
Yep, it's a pretty big one. Yep, that's actually really big.
Yeah, fighting like.
Should get it on shore. Nice cart.
Yeah. All right, 6 to 5. I'd say that's a pretty decent sized bass. I'd say that's 15 inches.
Probably.
Sweet. And apparently Garrett found a small turtle. that medium-sized fish I caught, and then Garrett snagged twice. So I think Garrett's just taking the L on this one. I'm up by one fish. It's been about 3.5 hours. He's thinking about calling her quits.
Another one.
Never mind, it's not big. Actually, it's not terrible.
No, that's small.
It's not terrible.
Okay, so he's got the lead by
7-5.
yeah 7-5.
Yeah, look at your face. Go ahead and just point at yourself right now. Yeah.
Well, yeah, because I lost a Rapala, and then I got snagged with the lure that we found, but I've just been losing a lot of lures. I lost both of my finesse jigs in this river, a Rapala, a whole bunch of spinners, so.
All right, that's 7 right now.
Pissing me off. Stop. What are you doing?
Yeah, he's pissed. So, I think we're done. Boat just came by, kind of put the tide up a little bit, and I got 7. I'd say I won on the biggest fish and on the amount of fish. So, yeah. I'd say I took the W on that one. 1-7-5. I'd say I had the biggest fish and the most fish. So that's pretty much it.
Yeah, I kept on losing my lures and whatnot, and I'm kind of upset about it.
Yeah.
So.
All right, well, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.